you can achieve this elegant strawberry souffle without even turning on the oven. That's right, it's a no-bake version and just as scrumptious. That's all this sweet nonsense. No bake? Bah! Where's the fun in that when you can char things to a crisp? You guys look bored. Chopping strawberries is not the most exciting thing to do. Hey, I just tuned up my nitro drive. Wanna go take it for a flying fling?
That sounds cool.
You don't have to ask me twice.
See you when you get back.
We won't be gone too long.
They always have some kind of adventure.
Separate 8 eggs. You have to separate them outside the bowl this time. You can't get any yolk or grit or bit of fat in your mixer bowl at all. Nada. We be whipping up some meringue in this there bowl in a little bit. We need the yolks right now. In your favorite saucepan, stir together 4 packets of gelatin and a cup of sugar. Egg yolks that you whisked up, and half the strawberry puree. On medium heat, stir this constantly until it reaches 160 degrees. We're gonna pasteurize those yolks. This doesn't take very long at all, maybe 5 minutes, but keep the liquid moving so it doesn't scorch on the bottom. No fun, I tell ya. No fun. There's just no fun in this dish. No. Pour this into another bowl. We use a metal bowl because it doesn't conduct heat as much as glass. Stir in the rest of the strawberries and... Almost peed my pants. Set it in the fridge to cool. Give it a stir every few minutes or so its skin doesn't form. Hold on to your whiskers,
Whoa.
Jessie. Whoa. Yeah. We're reaching G-force, H-force, Space Force. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no. Oh, no. Falls through. Uh-oh. Jules Verne, center of the earth. You don't say. Now we make the Swiss meringue with those whites. Add 1 cup of sugar and place your mixer bowl over a pan of hot water and whisk them. This is the part where it looks like snot at first. Trust me, as they heat up to 160 degrees, yep, you guessed right, they'll loosen up a lot. Place it on your mixer and whisk to stiff peaks. Boo!
That's stiff peaks.
We put the whole bowl in a giant bowl of ice water. We use meltless ice cubes too, so they're always ready to use. Time to turn up the heat. Ha-ha! Oh, no you don't. Woohoo! Hey! Hey! What the? Hey! Daggone it! Looks like your plan backfired, Nadia. Let's get back to our souffle. Just as everything is approaching room temperature, take 2 cups of heavy cream and whisk to stiff peaks. We added 3 drops of red food coloring to make it look more sumptuous. You'll see in a minute. Now we put it all together. Fold your strawberry mixture into your meringue. Be very, very gentle and careful not to deflate all the air we just whisked into it. Take from the bottom and bring it to the top while rotating the bowl. Cut down the middle every once in a while. Then take your pink whipped cream and fold that in as well. Be gentle just the same. There is way too much souffle for the pan, so we put a foil collar on it. This will make it look like it rose in the oven like a baked souffle. And we slice some same-size strawberries in half and stick them to the side. Fancy schmancy, huh? Spoon in your souffle and let it set up overnight, or at least 6 hours. We put sprinkles on the top and fanned a strawberry. We be fancy schmancy.
Did you guys just hear a big boom?
No.
Look at that, it's dynamite!
Subscribe for more loony fun and baking extraordinaire.